Does lack of sleep cause anxiety? In this video, I'm going to explain that. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to give you some ways on how to solve that. So the short answer is yes, it can, but I'll explain why this happens. When your body isn't getting the sleep that it needs, or any of its basic needs are going unmet, it will often put your body and mind into a state of fight or flight, which is kind of like this animalistic instinct to help keep us alive. Fight meaning like, do I stay and fight whatever danger there is? Or flight, do I run away from whatever danger there is? And the interesting thing about this is that our brain sort of does this automatically, even if we consciously know that we're safe. And typically the reason it does this is because something happened before that caused your subconscious to create what's called a protection mechanism. And so all of this happens subconsciously, automatically, when you're not really paying attention to it. But your brain will recognize if there's certain patterns or behaviors or situations that are happening that are very similar to what caused the original protection mechanism. And if that gets triggered, it'll put your body into a fight or flight state, which is basically a state of tension, not a state of relaxation. And so even if you think that you're doing relaxing things, your body itself might actually internally be in a state of stress. I know this from my own experience with lack of sleep that led to chronic fatigue, aches and pains all over my body, despite trying to get other therapies and whatnot for that, and even suicidal depression. Now that experience changed my whole life because it led me to subconscious imprinting technique, but it also helped me realize that just because I thought I was in this state didn't mean that my body and my subconscious was in the same state. And so that's why I now use subconscious imprinting technique to help others heal their sleep naturally. So if that's something you're interested in learning more about, I have a free cheat sheet of 5 ways to heal insomnia, and you can grab that for free down in the description of this video. If this was helpful, please make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.